Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shein app not working on your phone. So as you can see here, if your application is not working, not loading properly, then first of all you have to just go to Play Store and update your Shein mobile application here. Then make sure you just follow this second step because this is very important. Go to your settings of your app and here just click on apps and go to the app management. Now here you have to search for Shein here. Right, so apps management is basically it will show you all the application which is installed on your phone. Now here you have to go to the storage usage, clear the cache, if possible clear the data too, because that is important. Now go back. Now here you will get this option, another option which is permission. So make sure you have allowed all the permission here, right? And once you do it, just try to reopen your Shein app, right? So if it is still not working, then there's another solution which I'm going to show you. Check your internet connectivity, that whether your internet is working properly or not. And there are a few countries where Shein app is banned. So if it is banned in your country, then you have to use a free VPN. You can just go to Play Store and search for any of the free VPN, right? And you can search for it, and basically when I search for free VPN, you will get a lot of, and you can install one of them and try to reopen your Shein app. So this is the only 3 ways to open your Shein app if it is still not working properly. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.